Religious work visa in the UK and how to apply. Welcome to our channel. If you're a religious worker dreaming of serving in the United Kingdom, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying for a religious work visa in the UK. Whether you're a religious leader or someone supporting religious institutions, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Tier 2 Minister of Religion Visa versus Religious Worker Visa. Before we dive into the application process, let's understand the key differences between the Tier 2 Minister of Religion Visa and a Religious Worker Visa. The Tier 2 Minister of Religion route is for those with a leading role in their faith-based organization, while the Religious Worker route is for those supporting religious institutions. The Tier 2 route leads to settlement after 5 years, while the Religious Worker Visa is temporary, with a maximum stay of 2 years and no option for settlement. Eligibility and requirements. To be eligible for either visa route, you must have a licensed religious sponsor in the UK. The sponsor will issue you a valid certificate of sponsorship, confirming your eligible role. For the Tier 2 Minister of Religion visa, your work must be mainly pastoral, such as leading a congregation and performing religious rituals. On the other hand, the Religious Worker Visa allows both pastoral and non-pastoral roles, including support duties in religious institutions. English language requirement. If you're applying for the Tier 2 Minister of Religion Visa, you must meet the English language requirement at level B2 in reading, writing, speaking, and listening. However, this requirement is not applicable for the Religious Worker Visa applicants. It's essential to ensure you fulfill all necessary language criteria before proceeding with your application. Financial requirement. Both visa routes have a financial requirement. For the Tier 2 Minister of Religion, you must provide evidence of at least £1,270 held for 28 days before the application date. Additional funds are required if you're applying with dependents. However, applicants with prior permission to live in the UK for 12 months or more are exempt from providing financial evidence. Resident Labour Market Test. The religious worker route may require a resident labour market test, which involves advertising the intended sponsored role in the UK for at least 28 days. However, there are exemptions if the role is supernumerary or if the worker will mainly live within a religious order. The Tier 2 Minister of Religion route does not require a resident labour market test. Other visa options. Apart from the Tier 2 and religious worker visas, religious workers have other options too. For example, religious organizations can sponsor workers on the charity worker route for unpaid voluntary field work. Moreover, religious workers can come as standard visitors to preach or do pastoral work for up to 6 months without sponsorship under certain conditions. There you have it. You've reached the end of our guide on how to apply for a religious work visa in the UK. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the requirements and options available to religious workers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, stay blessed. Goodbye.